Hey guys, just at Sainsbury's in Wrexham, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Right guys, well it's the first time that I've actually seen this sort of display set up in person. I have seen it a couple of times on Facebook, people complaining that it's not great for collectors because there's like it's quite high up and really hard to root through the stock. First off, have a look at the price. We're on £2.30 Sainsbury's. Come on now, that's a ridiculous price for mainline, guys, but maybe we'll find something that's worth £2.30 in this box. First up, we've got the Fiat 500e. We've got the Track Manga. Oh, and I did actually spot that there is a Nissan Skyline in the on the track on the outside of here. Unfortunately, not packaged for me. Maybe I can ask them to give me that unpackaged. We've got Rockin' Railer. We've got a 1956 Corvette. Very cool. Yeah, there is like nowhere for me to put the Hot Wheels. Maybe what I'll do is I'll pop them in this bin here and above as well. And then we'll put them back in when we're sorted. Okay, we've got limited grip, a hot wired, we have a Batmobile from The Flash, Shark Bite, the Monster High Ghoulmobile. So it's a lot of stuff from like the A and B case in here at the moment. Oh, and this would have been the Super Treasure Hunt, but it is not. It is just your 2018 Camaro Super Sport. Put that on there. Don't like the wheels on that thing, to be honest. Brick and mortar. We've got a Hot Wheels 4-track and a pretty cool 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel from the Factory Fresh set. Let's keep going. We have Ice Shredder, Batmobile, but not the Treasure Hunt one. I am still looking for that Treasure Hunt one, as I do collect treasure hunts. I'm not a big fan of the Batmobiles, to be honest, but yeah, if I saw the Treasure Hunt, I wouldn't mind taking that. The Braille Racer Twin Mill. A very nice Ford GT40. I do have this a couple of times. I've got it open as well, so I won't be taking that today from here. Ooh, we've got the Ford Escort RS2000. It is not the Super Treasure Hunt, unfortunately. It is still a beautiful casting, to be honest. I love the fact that it's got that blue Ford badge on the front there. And you've got the back as well with an RS2000X license plate. It's really nice. Great colour. Factory fresh as well. I'll be taking this because I've only got one of these. Non-super, obviously, but yeah, pop it to one side and I'll definitely take that. Let's keep going. Ooh, we got a Loopster with no hands up. I'm not seeing any of the guys with their hands up recently. These little people in here, they can come with the hands up or down, but I think for the last 6 ones that I've seen, they've had the hands down. Crazy, man. But yeah, very cool, the Loopster. Let's see what else we've got in here. We've got a Jeep Scrambler. Really good livery on this thing. Do you like the Jeep Scrambler? What else have we got? Oh, we've got the Proton Saga, which is a nice compact King's car. Well, a Tesla Roadster in orange. That's not too bad. It's pretty cool. See, it says Tesla on the back there. Nice little license. Has it got a license plate? Or am I going mad? Yeah, it does have a license plate and it says Roadster. It's from the Then and Now set. Very cool little casting that actually. Put that to one side. That's it for this tin. Let's have a look in this second bit of the bin. See what we can find in here. Mustang NHRA funny car. We've got a Mighty K. We've got XC40 Recharge. Hot wired that's been eaten by someone. We've got the inevitable rocking railer. Sandburner. Plymouth. Barracuda. Ooh, and the Cyclone, very nice. It's the Mercury Comics Cyclone. Blown out engine. This is the Super of, isn't it last year's Super? Yeah, it is. One of like the latest cases, maybe like F or something like that. But yeah, I've not seen the Super yet. Still cool casting. Plymouth Barracuda. Let's keep going. Another Proton Saga. Ooh, a very nice Mazda Autozam. That's, oh yeah, I thought it was stuck there for a minute then. From the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. This one's the winner of 2020. I can't wait to see that Miata when it starts coming out next year. That'll probably be in the first cases of next year. A very nice Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Okay, I think we've got a nice Dodge. Ford F-150 Lightning and a El Segundo Coupe from the Unleashed 2 turbocharged game. And I think that's everything, guys. Let's have a little look in these other parts here. That's it for the main line, it seems. We do have monster trucks, which I'm not, oh, okay, that was part of the main line. I'm not a massive fan of monster trucks, to be honest. And they've got 8-packs up here too. Ooh, this is actually a really nice looking 8-pack. I've not seen the Audi yet, and it's in here. No way, the Audi Quattro's in here already. And is that a Nissan Skyline up there? Oh, this is actually like a God pack. It's got the Civic. Oh, it's got the Leap Year Roger Dodger as well. I've been looking for that thing. This is like a really, really good 8-pack. Are they all like this? Let's have a look. Let's just pop this here for now. Let's have a little look. Okay. Okay, so this one's got a Ford Mustang in it. I've not seen these 8-packs before. Are these like exclusive to Sainsbury's? I don't see them in Asda or anywhere like that. It's got the new Glory Chaser. These are all 2024 castings. But yeah. What else have they got? Oh, everything's falling. These things are popping, man. They've got so much good stuff in them. That's a new casting. Lamborghini. Is that a DeLorean? I don't think it is a DeLorean. It looks like one, but I can't remember the name of that thing. If you guys know it, let me know. Honda Civic. You've got the RX-7 in the police livery. Ford Performance Mustang as well. Damn, these things are really, really nice. I don't know. I mean, how much are they? Oh, it's £13.50 per 8-pack. So possibly I could get one of these maybe. Let's see which one's the best. I'll have a little look, guys. Well, guys, it wasn't too bad hunting in the new display at Sainsbury's, and we did find an awesome 8 set. I'm going to take this one, guys, because of that Skyline, you know, and also the Audi too. I can't pass that up, and it'll be nice to have them loose because I'm definitely opening this. Got the Ford Escort RS2000 as well. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.